Hi guys, this is going to be a quick video on replacing the Weatherstrip molding on 2008 Tundra with the double cab small doors. First thing is put your window down, go to the edge of the old weather stripping, put your finger in there and kind of pry it up, and then lift up, and then just give it some pressure while lifting upward. It should just pop off like that. Set the old one aside. You'll see on the new one, the tab that was holding it in place is towards the front, and that's really it. So start from the back. Make sure you have this overlap the existing rubber, so this will go over this. And then start pushing downward. From here, you'll see this is kind of overhanging, so you'll know you need to push this in towards the back. And that's what's stopping it right here. This needs to overlap that, so start over. Okay, so that's on there. Now just pull it downward. Push this down till you hear that gray tab click. Oh, there it goes. Just give it a little. There you go. That's the passenger side. Now we'll go, this is the driver's side. Now we'll go do the passenger side. Okay, we're here on the passenger side. Again, come to the front of the door. Put your finger behind it and start pulling. You'll see the gray tab back in there. Mine's about to break off, so need to be careful and snap it out. Okay, it almost broke inside, but thankfully it came off in one piece. Now just give it. That. Take the new one and do the same as the other side. Make sure this overlaps the rubber piece right here, and kind of fit it in. Make sure this is aligned with the door, and then give it a little push into the on it a little bit, and that's that. Mine's a 2008 double cab. Here are the part numbers. This is the right rear, and this is the left hand side. Thanks for watching.